Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 25th, 2020. And now this video, we're going to give you all the forecasts in Chainlink. Last video we did for Chainlink was back on August the 8th. We left our forecast out. Wanted to see how low the market in Chainlink was going to go prior to us generating a forecast package. Now in this video, we're going to see if the weakness is still here. And if so, how low will the market in Chainlink go? So if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then join us on our Instagram page, Facebook, our own website. All of the links are in the description of this video. Now, as I told you, the last time we did our video in Chainlink was back here on August the 8th. And we wanted to wait until the market trap until he has shown us where support was going to be. And the market found support at $12. And then we saw this massive movement higher in price. And a lot of people was jumping the bandwagon in Chainlink on that particular, after that particular day. And now you guys can see here in Chainlink that we're still generating more weakness than strength. And you can see here we were tracking the market trending above this ascending line. So this is the overall trend into the market in Chainlink. Okay. So we're going to hold that line there. Keep that as our marker as to determining what's going to be the next move in this space. That's it. Now let's take a look at Chainlink on a longer time frame real quick. So last week was a huge indication to you stating that Chainlink is not looking to see higher price at the moment. Now, there was a lot of people last week who came into the market and tried to buy Link at these low prices. So they're trying to sustain the price from crashing lower below our ascending line. That's the current stage that we're in right now in Chainlink. Now, for the market in Chainlink on the week of August the 10th, 2020 to go higher and then immediately the next week close lower, it tells you something, especially seeing this market in Chainlink trade at all-time highs. All right. Even on a longer perspective, the whole month of August, Chainlink has been on a run. It's been running higher. And now, seeing that we have 6 more days left and we're closing well off of them high prices, Chainlink is losing some steam. Is it time for Link to take a break? Looking at it from the August price bar, it definitely looked like it's trying to take a breather. Just saying. Now, switching it back over to the daily. So we're seeing instances of weakness in the market in Link on definitely a longer term time frame from the weekly to the monthly. So we have 2 up for weakness. And right now, the only thing for strength that we're seeing is the market trending and trading above this line. That's it. Everything else is hinting at weakness in the market for Link. This is just a snapshot. This is just us telling you how the market in Chainlink feels right now. And another thing that gives weakness a leg up on the strength right now is that restriction level at $16. Link tried 4 days to break above $16, and each day he was unsuccessful. Now, what I'm looking for the trap to do, I'm still suspecting that he wants to try to keep price in Link at least for the next day or so to an hourly perspective, to try to keep price hovering between $14 and $16. That's what I'm looking for him to do. But when you look at it from a long-term perspective, definitely hints of market weakness to the downside is there. Okay. Now, with all that being said, we're going to play a forecast of market weakness in Chainlink. So we're going to look for the trap to decrease the value of Chainlink for all of the reasons that I just talked about. So don't be oblivious. Do not be ignorant into thinking that the trap cannot hold price in this green area on top of our ascending line. That can definitely happen, because this area around $14 is support, right? As a matter of fact, a greater area of support is right there at 15. Not only is $16 restriction, but $15 is holding well for support, at least from a daily perspective. Now, when I look at this from a long-term perspective, I'm not expecting this $15 to hold. Expecting that the market and Chainlink to go a little bit lower. But even if we do go lower, look, we will still be trending higher in price in Chainlink. And this trend of Chainlink moving higher is not going to be broken until we see the market crack below that ascending line, period. So we're going to continue to play just a little bit of weakness into the market. Just a little bit, at least for the time being. So we're going to TP the market in Chainlink right here around $14. Not precise, not on the dot, but around there. That's another 7% market movement from where we are right now. Okay. $16 will be restriction in the market for Chainlink. Now, when I look at the market on a longer time frame, $13 is definitely the next area of support that we can see Chainlink try to come and grab more support at. Okay, but we're going to TP it at $14, and depending on how the overall market in Chainlink continues to play weakness, $13 is going to be the next point. Now it's your turn. Where do you think Chainlink is going to go? This is our premise. This is our presumption. Now we want to know what yours is. Leave us a comment about what you think about Link. Where it's going to go in the next couple of days. Is it going to go higher or lower? And if so, tell us your TP area based off your own forecast. Now, make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you all on the next one.